Yeah. Yeah. The vibes are wine bottles, little shuffles, and a couple friends. PlayStation, Grand Theft, and some M&Ms. New work, more money than a vacation. You work hard and play harder, gotta make it make sense. Gotta make arrangements for my young borns. A one baby daddy situation was the old norm. These lot just wanna swipe right and watch you porn, and I'm just trying to build a legacy. Okay, now what to elect some more? My mum ain't raised no bitch. My mother had me in some corduroy and some Nike kicks. My father had me on the keyboard at the age of 6. My sister influenced a certain love I have for hits. My brother likewise and hooked me up with plenty lines. Looking back at it, he probably was committing crimes. In certain places, they're just calling that shit getting by. We're getting by, you either entertain or 9 to 5. It didn't matter when we're quarantined. It didn't matter when we're broke. I had to take a little second, man. I took a second, then you really think we're only standing by? You need to open your eyes. Yeah. I found myself drinking out of these wine bottles and watching my mind shuffle, but the same thought is on repeat.